Okay. I found out how to make a really small one handgun, Kinex handgun. It doesn't even look like a pistol, but it still shoots and it's small. Really small. Here it is. Uh it's doesn't look like one, as you can see, a pistol very much. It has a handle, and you just pull this back, and you get the little orange piece go right in the middle of the whole thing, like getting away so that won't go. And just load your ammo. This one can shoot little bitty green ones, or white, or blue. I'm sorry, it can shoot anyone really. But if you want, if you don't want to be able to see the ammo sticking out of the gun, use these little bitty green ones. Stick it in, and you can't see it sticking out. You see, and you just push down on this. There it goes. I know this sounds kind of weird, but I think this one shoots better than my other two, but it's bigger. Uh, this one's probably the most powerful one. See, the white ones stick out. I think the bigger you get, the more powerful they are. Like the bulls. I think the white one's more powerful though. Okay. Then I'll show you. Boom, really sticks out bad. Alright, this is my favorite one. Compared to, where are they? Okay. This one, and this one. You know, this one's still a lot of fun with the magazine. I just had to shoot that one. I haven't shot that one for a couple minutes now.